Alright, good morning everyone. So before start my presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is So Chang Hao. I'm your presenter today. So I'm going to talk about Google Calendar. So nowadays, most of the students have online learning. So some of the universities will have different platform in Google, either Google or Microsoft as the learning platform. So today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar. So the basic knowledge of Google Calendar will help you in your online learning. So they have a lot of function. So I'm going to teach about how to use the basic function. Okay, so this is the home page of Google Calendar. So when you visit the website, this is the landing page. So you can click the table and add some event. Okay, so by adding some event like your timetable, it will remind you when is your class and let you know. So we will jump on to the next slide and you will learn more. So okay, so this is the adding of the title. So like today you have a classes, you can put in the title and you can set the time and location. You can even set the reminder. There's a reminder that can help you to remind you before, maybe before 30 minutes, then can make you have a preparation before the class. Okay, so next one. So yeah, so this is the reminder. So the reminder you can add a reminder to help you to have ease in your daily classes, weekly classes. Alright, so next is you also can invite someone, so by enter his or her email. So you when you add guests, the guest can be able to view this event. So if you have these classes, you add these classes and you want to have someone else to share with you, you share with the other people, so you just add guests. So that's all. So that's easy. So the next one after that, this is where the person I invite. So the person I invite will receive an email to notify him or her. So the person who get invited can choose either yes, no, or maybe. So you can choose yourself either you want to join the event. So this event is for meeting, so for Google Meet. Okay, so next we will have, okay, so this is the access permission. So you can share, so you can set to share to anyone or just share to your organization, so like your friend. Okay, so when you set the permission, right, they can just a specific amount of people, like your friend around you, can access to your calendar. Okay, so when you get the permission from the owner that share you, okay, so on the left side, the bar, you can see others calendar. So you can click the add button to see other people calendar. If they share to you, then it will appears like this. So you just when the calendar, after you press the add button, so you can click the subscribe and then enter the person name or email and select the person from the list. Okay, so this is how you can use others people's calendar. You can subscribe to the calendar. Okay, so your friend's calendar will also sync in your calendar. So after you add the email, so it will jump out in the left side. So it will manually sync. When your friends got update to the calendar, then you will have the update of your calendar as well. So it is considered as auto sync lah, so not manually sync. So if you don't to use the calendar, or you can just unsubscribe it by clicking the X quitting button. Then it will unsubscribe from your site. Right. So the next is you can also export or import the calendar manually. So this is how when you choose a file, if you want to import or you want to export your calendar to other people. Okay, so click unsubscribe if you want to unsubscribe from a calendar, or you can just click delete if you want to delete calendar that you own. So this is very easy, just a very easy way to remove your calendar. So you can either unsubscribe other people's calendar, or you can delete your own calendar. Okay, so next is the notification part. So you can set to off or desktop notification or alert. So this is depends on how you want to get notified by your calendar, or you can just don't want to be notified, so you can choose it yourself. Right. So next is, okay, so depends on the view you want to check. Okay, so you can just check or uncheck the following boxes. So you can see that you got show weekends, show declines event, show week numbers. Then you can reduce the brightness of past event, or you can view calendar sites by sites in day view. So this is how you can view your calendar in option. You can choose yourself depending on how you want to view your calendar. Alright, so we jump to the next one. So the next one will be customizing the density and color you want. So you can adjust the color of each event just by pressing the density and color. Okay, so next, sorry. Okay, so that's all for my part. I hope you can have better understanding and a basic knowledge of how to use your Google Calendar. Okay, so that's end of my part. Thank you.